How many p-n junctions a transistor has? Option A, 1 p-n junction. Option B, 2 p-n junction. Option C, 3 p-n junction. Or option D, 4 p-n junctions. And the answer is 2 p-n junction. The collector of a transistor is doped. Option A, heavily. Option B, lightly. Option C, equally. Or option D, moderately. And the answer is option D, moderately. The biggest size of a transistor element is option A, collector. Option B, emitter. Option C, base. Or option D, none of these. And the answer is option A, collector. In a PNP transistor, the current carriers are option A, free electrons, option B, holes, option C, nucleus, or option D, atoms. And the answer is option B, holes. In a NPN transistor, current carriers are option A, free electrons, option B, holes, option C, nucleus, or option D, atoms. And the answer is option A, free electrons. The current ratio of IC upon IE is usually less than 1, and it is called as option A, alpha, option B, beta, option C, omega, or option D, none of above. And the answer is option A, alpha. In collector-emitter configuration, an emitter resistance is used for option A, high gain, option B, stabilization, option C, low gain, or option D, reverse bias. And the answer is option B, stabilization. The most of the majority carriers emitting from emitter. Option A, neutralize with electrons. Option B, recombine with collector. Option C, recombine with base. Or option D, passes through base region to collector. And the answer is option D, passes through base region to collector. For a transistor, which equation is true? Option A, IB equal to IC plus IE. Option B, IB equal to IC plus IE. Option C, IE equal to IC minus IB, or option D, IE equal to IC plus IB. And the option and the correct option of this answer is option D, IE equal to IC plus IB. A transistor can be used as a switching device and also as a option A, variable resistance, option B, variable capacitance, option C, variable inductor, or option D, fixed resistor. And the correct answer is variable resistor. The relation between beta and alpha in a transistor is option A, beta equal to 1 upon 1 minus alpha. Option B, beta is equal to 1 minus alpha upon alpha. Option C, beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha, or option D, beta equal to alpha upon 1 plus alpha. And the correct answer is beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. The value of beta for a transistor is generally option A 1, option B less than 1, option C between 20 to 500, or option D above 500. And the correct answer is between 20 to 500. The arrow in the symbol of a transistor indicates the direction of option A, electrons current in the emitter, option B, electron current in the collector, option C, hole current in the emitter, or option D, none of these. And the correct answer is hole current in the emitter. The collector base junction in a transistor is option A, reverse bias all the times, option B, forward bias all the times, option C, low resistance, option D, low current. And the correct answer is option A, reverse bias all the times. The Q point on a load line may be used to determine option A, VCC, option B, VC, option B, VB, or option D, IB. And the correct answer is option C, VB. What is the current ratio of beta? Option A, IC upon IB, option B, IB upon IE, option C, IE upon IB, or option D, IC upon IE. and the correct answer is IC upon IB. In a transistor, collector current is controlled by option A, collector voltage, option B, collector current, option C, base current, or option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, base current.